Ever wished you could turn your cool GitHub projects into neat, shareable apps for anyone to run? Okay, let's dive in. The first step is to choose a project and identify its programming language. Knowing this is vital. For instance, a Python project needs a different process than a JavaScript one. Knowing the language helps in choosing the right tools for the job. Next, we need packaging tools. Popular options depend on your programming language. Python might use PyInstaller or Nutka. For JavaScript, you might utilize tools like pkg. These tools bundle your code and its dependencies into a single executable. Now it's time to use the command line interface. Navigate to your project's directory. Then, based on the chosen tool for your programming language, you would execute commands which start the packaging process. Usually, this involves specifying your main script file as an argument. After running the command, the packaging tool will start processing your code. Be patient. It analyzes dependencies, bundles them, and creates the executable file. The actual process may take some time. Once the process is complete, you'll find your executable file inside the output folder. You'll have a single file that anybody can run, distributed to users on any computer. Finally, double-check, test your new executable on different systems to ensure it runs as expected. If so, congratulations! You've successfully packaged your GitHub project into a shareable X.